on the record, Your Honor.
All right, we're back on the record. I just wanted to re-review the transcript of the TPO hearing, and the child specifically did state, at least as of the date of the testimony, that was January 3rd, 2022, that he wasn't ready to go back to the regular timeshare with his mom. So that is why the court ordered that mom's visitation would be at dad's discretion. Now, I've previously indicated a concern about withholding the child. Dad has stated, but there's so much contradictory information, and I haven't had an evidentiary hearing in this case yet. So I'm a little bit at a disadvantage. But I was previously concerned about dad withholding the child, which I thought was unreasonably, and that was, we've already discussed all of that at the end of 2020. So I just want Mr. Horodesky to assure me that he will allow Hayden to have contact with his mother if and when Hayden's ready.
And I can't see my client.
Yeah, turn on your mic, Mr. Horodesky.
Is there a reason why I can't see him?
I don't know why you can't see him. I think it's probably the setup.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
I have it now.
All right, Mr. Horodesky, assure me that you're going to allow Hayden to see his mom when he's ready.
Absolutely. I always tell him it's up to him, and I back what he chooses.
Well, it's not exactly always up to him. It's up to the court as well. But in this instance, temporarily, without prejudice, it's going to be up to you and Hayden.
Correct.
Because
we were just waiting for the outcome of this case, and we've been subpoenaed to show up tomorrow for it.
Okay. Well, if he wants to see his mom before that, I mean, that'll be, I'll leave that to your discretion temporarily. But if this case comes back to me and I find that you've unreasonably withheld the child,
absolutely not,
then you'll have to explain why. Okay. So I want you to exercise good parental judgment and be reasonable. And
Your Honor, with all due respect.
Of course, Hayden can certainly reach out to his mom anytime he wants to, okay?
Yes, he has his own cell phone. He has full communication of it. I don't even touch his phone.
All right. Okay.
He's just at the age where, like, when I was 16, my parents were probably the last people I wanted to speak with.
Well,
he has a girlfriend, and...
Well, you also still have a duty.
But I do encourage it.
All right, thank you. And you still have a duty to communicate with mom and keep her informed on what's going on with the child. All right?
We'll be sending all of you the grades that we have recently. And also, Your Honor, I wanted to say that my confusion was that they proved up their divorce, Dr. Parker and Mrs. Parker. And when they did prove that up, I guess it was soon after Judge Ochoa, or maybe with Judge Ochoa, because you don't seem to know about it, but they proved it up and they decided that until mom's criminal case was over, there would be no contact, and that afterwards, if she was found not guilty, they would work out an arrangement. I've got the document, but it's just another case.
All right. Okay, so let's have a date that we can come back. I know they're going to be in court tomorrow, but is that going to be, what is it that's happening tomorrow again?
The probable cause hearing.
The probable cause hearing. So I'm not sure that that's going to.
Well, Mr. Horodesky and Hayden, has Hayden been subpoenaed as well? Both of them have been subpoenaed to testify.
Wow.
Your Honor, would you mind ordering the CPS records?
I think that's appropriate. Thank you. Yes, I intended to do that. The court is ordering the CPS records.
And when they arrive,
of course, let you know as soon as we get them. Yeah.
That'd be great.
And and so tomorrow is the only date that's scheduled in the criminal case so far.
Correct.
So far, yeah.
If they are, right.
Could y'all to schedule 60 days return on this, but if you need less time, depending on what happens tomorrow, please, I don't know, stipulate to get back here as soon as possible, or if the case is extended for another hearing after 60 days, then send me a stipulation that you need to extend, that you need a continuance. But I want y'all back in front of me after we have some kind of information, some kind of, I don't think it'll be entirely resolved tomorrow, but who knows?
If it's held over, then we know there's a trial coming.
Yeah. So anyway, 60 days status check for the time being.
Great.
Anyway.
Okay, that's April 27th at 11:30 a.m.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
April 27th at 11:30 a.m. And Ms. Fine, I'm going to need an order for today. Would you please prepare it and provide it to Ms. Robinson for her review and approval?
I would be happy to. When do you think the minutes will be done? So I can look at those, and I will look at also the video again.
I don't know. She doesn't know either. She's working on minutes. So,
And when will we get the other 3 orders?
well,
This is an order to show cause. We didn't ask for it, you did, and you asked for it 3 times. This is the 3rd time.
yep. I'm not ordering contempt yet. Ms. Robinson,
Forward those orders to Fran.
thank you. All right, so we'll be back on April 27th at 11:30 unless I hear otherwise. All right, thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much.
All right, so it'll be a continued hearing. All right,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Continued, does that mean the temporary protective orders as well?
Oh, yes, thank you. Oh, goodness, I'm glad we're still, I hope they're still, yeah. Well, they've already left the call, but yes. So I'll make that clear in the minutes. Thank you, Ms. Fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
so the TPO has to be extended.
Okay.
So it has to be extended until the day that we come back, okay?
Okay.
So that'll be April 27th.
Okay. And
Thank
I gave
you.
you the form.
Thank you.
Now. we're
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.